go. Hi, Peter.
Hello.
How are
I'm
you?
back. I'm good.
Yes, you're back.
Heart rate's up, a little nervous, just right.
Good for you. I know you know the drill.
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
And fifth, Raphael Gilman.
Woo!
Let's take it down. We'll shut it down. Starting our expert men 35 to 39. Sea Otter Blue Stars 208. Currently on the hot seat.
Trail One is my biggest supporter, and they make some very well thought out components, each of which gives back to the trails that we ride. Check them out and use the code SupportTheTrails-Pete for a discount at checkout.